In this video, I will show you exactly what trade we have taken with our Paradise Family VIPs, and I will show you where the Bitcoin price is going to go next with the highest probabilities. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Simon from MyCryptoParadise, and to understand where the Bitcoin is going to go next with the highest probability is firstly we need to take a look at the higher time frame. So on the daily time frame we can pretty much see that we are creating a bottom formation, right? So we are oversold, and from that reason, the higher time frame structure, you can start looking at the lower time frame trades. So let's switch back to the 4-hour time frame chart, and as you can see, if we zoom in a little bit, we are being supported by the 200 MA right here, right? From the wick perspective, we are making this triple bottom, plus the second one is already making a higher low. So here we have made a low. It's also an inverted head and shoulders, right? So here we have made we have wicked below the 200 MA, which is actually a support. A lot of stops being triggered here, so we got enough liquidity. Then we moved back here. As you can see on our trade, we have made an entry, so we have entered right at the 200 MA on the 4-hour right here. This is 15 minutes time frame, so you can see we have been filled beautifully, and we are using always only one entry. So this will allow us from the long-term perspective to be more profitable than the people who are laddering their positions, because they are not being with the same position size in every trade. So for this reason we are using only one entry, because this will allow us enter the position with the same position size every time. So when we hit first take profit target, it will hit with the same position size that we will hit the stop loss. Most of the traders, however, when they ladder their positions, they usually hit the first take profit target or any take profit target with less capital than when they hit stop loss, because if the price is going down, they ladder their positions, they trigger their buy entry here, here and here, right? And then they hit stop loss. However, when their idea is correct, they usually hit one, maximum two buy entries, usually with the highest probability. Then the price starts to move back up, and they hit their first take profit target or any target with less capital than the stop loss. So basically they keep winning small and losing big, and this is exactly what you're trying to avoid when you are trying to be long-term profitable trader. So we used only one buy market order here at 19,890. We also used a limit, as you can see right here. So we have pre-set up our buy limit order here, because when you are using a limit order, it costs you less fees, and because we are managing a high amount of capital and most of our clients are very rich, we need to be very careful how much fees we are paying to the exchange. The limit orders are the less expensive thing, but at the same time is the hardest thing to trade. So right now we have created the higher low right here, we have entered on it, and basically is the 200 MA supported by this. We have also liquidated a lot of long positions below it, below here as well. So right now we created the higher low, and if this price action gonna stay bullish, what is the price action we are looking at? We have first take profit at 20,369, but the important one is at 20,750. So the 20,750 is actually one of the important Fibonacci levels. So let me just quickly draw it for you. We are using this high, we put it to this low, right? And you can immediately see that not only the 200 MA is supporting the current candle, but also the 0.786 Fibonacci level, which is one of the most strongest levels, and this is on 4-hour, so it's really important to understand where it stays. For the last target, we have put it just below the Fibonacci level 1.272 here at the previous wick. So this should work as some resistance, but this is going to be, this is basically a liquidity zone for the short orders. So basically everybody who is short from here have stop losses around this area, and the market makers will try to do the best to really liquidate all of the shorters, right? So then the price action should look something like this. We will go up, we will liquidate these, okay, and then we will continue in the price action. If we are bullish, we will keep trending up. If we are bearish, we will have a correction and we will go back into this long we are already 1.5 months in this consolidation, right? So then we will be looking for something like this, and then we will just keep ranging until we break out. So the smartest thing to do right now is to really just understand the price action on the higher time frame. On the higher time frame, so far it looks like an accumulation. When you can make the daily bread is actually on the lower time frame. So right now we are already in profit. It's 1% profit. We have immediately placed the stop loss to break even, to secure the position. So our position is pretty much risk-free right now, and this is what you are looking for: safe trading, isn't that right? That's what everybody is seeking for in this market, because your number one goal shouldn't be to make a quick buck. Your number one goal should be step by step build yourself up and be profitable trader long term. So yeah, this resistance pretty significant. If so, that's why we have of the last important take profit target here. If actually we are able to break this resistance without any pullback, so it can look like this. If we break out this resistance, okay, then we will position ourselves back to the long position on the retest. There's gonna be a retest. This is a pretty significant price action which was happening right here, so we are quite sure that here will be a lot of sell orders, so it will be possible to get ourselves back into a position on a retest. So we will be looking for a retest position here, and then we will ride it to the another very important Fibonacci level, which is this one. So if this trade idea will be right, it will be for around 20% profit with some leverage. It can be a very nice trade, and what we will be looking for just from the risk reward point of view is something like this. So we will place stop loss below this, because this will basically turn into a support. So here will be our entry, something like this. Here will be our take profit target. The second or third, the last one we will probably put right here. So we have the chance to make a double top or something like that, but the main target will be around here. So it's a wonderful risk reward, 6.4 versus 2.3% loss. As I said already, if you are looking to be profitable long term, these are the setups you are seeking. High risk reward, always seek losing small, winning big trades all the time. All right, so this is exactly what we are doing. As you can see, for example, like right here, it was yesterday 5th October on KuCoin. We have traded Lavax coin, and you can see what we are doing here at every trade. It's not just Bitcoin, but also on the altcoins. We are keeping the stop loss very tight and high rewards target. So this actually hit last target for 69% profit, so that was amazing. And why these coins are pumping so much is because that Bitcoin dominance is right now at resistance. It's at very important resistance on 4 hour, and this Fibonacci level is very significant for 1 daily time frame as well. So 0.618 Fibonacci, previously strong support, now it turned into a resistance, very strong resistance area. What we are looking for right here is a dump to around here. So when the Bitcoin dominance is going down, altcoins are going up. When the Bitcoin dominance is going up, the altcoins are dropping, right? So this is the thing with the crypto market cap. You need to really watch what is happening, where the money are transferring, and you need to predict with the highest probability what's going to happen next. And this is exactly what we are doing with our Paradise Family VIPs on the daily basis. So guys, we showed you our idea for Bitcoin. We think this is a very nice trade and we will hit the last sell target. So we will get back to you in the next video with the results. For now, in the description there are links to join the free channels, and if you are ready to start trading like a pro, you can join our Paradise Family VIP right away. We will be very happy to see you in the VIP right after watching this video if you are ready for it. If not, join the free channels. It's enough for you to get as much knowledge as needed to really skillfully beat these markets non-stop. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this was Simon from MyCryptoParadise. I will see you in the next video.